Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can use the dark theme in FreeCAD. So if you are working in a late night, then dark theme in FreeCAD will help you to reduce the stress on your eyes. So we will see in this tutorial how we can use the dark theme in FreeCAD. So for that, head over to the tools, then add-on manager, and then search for here theme. Then here you will get Pro Dark Theme Pack. Click on it and install it and restart your FreeCAD. As I have already installed it, so I will close it. And now once you install and restart your FreeCAD, then go to the edit, then preferences, and then under here journal tab you will see here Pro Dark Theme Pack and apply it. So once you apply it, then you will see the dark theme. And if I go to the sketcher and if I sketch, then you can see that how beautiful this theme is, and it puts the less stress on your eyes if you are working to the late night. And dimension color setting is also applied here. And when you are working in a daytime, then you can go again to the edit preferences and switch to the FreeCAD classic colors and say apply. So this is how you can switch to the normal theme to the dark theme inside the FreeCAD as per your convenience. If you are working in a late night, then use the dark theme, and if you are working in a daytime, then use the light theme. So this is the very small tutorial on how to use the dark theme in a FreeCAD. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.